Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we're in Portofino South, which is near Lea Mall, down Donghari. And behind me we're going to take a look at this huge house. So let's go check it out. So we have here, it's a corner lot, as you can see. It comes down. There's an underground 6-car garage over there, but we'll check that out later. Let's go up in through the front door here. This house is under construction at the moment. It's brand new. They say it'll be ready in probably 2 months or so. So let's go inside and see what it looks like. So as you can see, still got construction materials here, but that'll all be cleaned up soon. So as we come through this Nara front door, see the beautiful tile. Notice the super high ceilings. So you immediately walk into this big space. I love the tile. So as you're standing in the main space, you can pan around. To the right here is the stairway going up and down to the garage. And you notice it all has glass rails. Very nice. So let's go check out this room to the left here first. Through these sliding doors. You see that? Nice windows opening into this room. We got a sliding door on the end. And this is the dining room. And then you walk into, let me back up so you can get a good shot of this. Those are the sliding glass doors that go right into the kitchen. Like I said, still under construction, so you can see that the granite is not on the island yet. You can see what kind of cupboards they're going to be using. They look very nice. And then you can see the drawer set up over here. And if you can see on the wall there's a trace out, so that means it's going to be more, it says white powder coated aluminum frame glass doors, so more cabinets. And there's a doorway to the side of the lot. Then we come in here, you have another door to the side, but to the right here, as you can see, stainless steel cabinets and stuff. So this is going to be the dirty kitchen. And then down over here, it's a stairway to the garage, but we'll check that out later. Let's go upstairs and check out the bedrooms first. There's still workers running around in here and everything. But we want to offer this for pre-sale. Those who are looking for a house and want to get in there right away in the next few months. So in the living room area, they have this glass wall. And then they have this little coffee area out here. There'll be a glass rail here, and as you can see, you look down, it's pretty deep down there. And over to the left, you can see that they're working on the wall, but there's a stairway to go up over there, and then over here is a stairway too, but you can't quite see it. So there'll be a glass rail on this balcony, so you don't have to worry about anyone falling over. Another look from the living room angle. You can see how the lights from the upper floor come through the windows. Very nice. Let's go look in here. Here's the bedroom on the ground floor. For those who don't like to take the stairs, this is perfect room size. You can see the floors are Nara planks. Very expensive flooring, unstained yet, and as you can see there's built-in cabinets, and then you have a full shower and CR in here, but still under construction, so they got a little work. I would say they probably have at least 2 months work to go. You can see how they put the nice little roof design above the bed to show you where the bed is. Okay, so we'll go check out the downstairs later, but let's go look at the upstairs. You got the little sliding glass door here for a balcony. You can come out here. on the side of the house. Now what I like about this house is they have very wide steps. It's about 4 feet wide, and they're lowered steps, so you don't have to have big steps going up the stairs. This is all Nara planks, hard wood. And as you know, termites don't like hard wood. And you can see, let me get a floor level here. You can see that the Nara flooring goes in all the rooms. And you have another sliding glass door here. Little miniature balcony, but the rail's not on yet. Let me just pan this stair so you can see how that looks. Big high windows, high ceiling. That'll have a chandelier hanging down from it. This one also. So let's go take a look this way. Massive house. Again, Nara floors here. They made the design over the ceiling. AC in every room. You see the built-in closets. And then over here is the CR and shower area. Sorry about the lighting. There's limited light bulbs in this house. And it's about 4 o'clock in the evening, so it's getting a little dark. So we have this bedroom here, very nice. Very similar, same setup. You have big windows here for light. This one has a bigger closet space. See that? Lots of built-in closets. And then you walk back here to the glass enclosed shower and CR and sink. No mirror yet. Very nice material, this closet doors too. So let's go out this door here. See that ceiling? Nice design. They'll have some chandeliers hanging from there. Then you can come down here, look down into the living room. So that's pretty cool. Nice. Let's go into this other bedroom here. They got a AC in the corner here. Looks like a 5-horser. Similar setup in here. Big window at the end. The same style of walk-in closet. And then the same shower and CR setup, as you can see. So still got work to do on that. So let's head out to the next room. Now this is the master's bedroom, but I just wanted to show you there's a sliding glass door here on the end to go out onto the master bedroom's balcony. But let's go in the master bedroom. You can see it has a balcony over here. And it has, looks like, I thought this was a nook area, but it looks like they're setting up some maybe closets or something. I'm not sure. But this is what they're going to set up here. But let me walk out on this balcony so we can pan back around to the master bedroom. So to give you an idea. Love the floors, big white planks, kiln dried Nara. And then you come in here. There's a door to the left. You got a tub. The shower's not complete yet in here, but you can see it's going to come down from the ceiling. And then you got a his and her sink. But you also got all these closets here behind the door, and then you walk into another door and you have a whole row of closets here. And then it just walks into this massive walk-in closet. So you got closet space there. You got a vanity set up here, and there's a writing on the wall there that says mirror. And then let me back up so you can see my image in there, but these are reflective black glass sliding doors, see? With inside drawers and everything. Very nice. Nice feel to the sliding doors. They don't feel cheap, they feel expensive. And that's good. Everything in here looks pretty high quality. Of course, because we're in a high-end village. Portofino South is very high-end, and the property values here are supposed to be going through the roof because of University City that's coming here, Billionaires Road, the River Road that's coming through, all sorts of stuff. Flyovers. This area is going to be huge. Boutique hotel, 5 stars. All call centers, all coming into this area. This area is going to boom. Which is probably why both the sons of Villar live in this village, Portofino South. So I think they're living here for a reason. I think this area is going to explode. So good investment in this area. Then you got a Via Mall that's just, 2 minutes away. The MCX, 2 minutes away. Hospital, 2 minutes away. Well, let's look down here behind this cubby here. We got a little cubby hole, they call it. Back there you can store things. And to the right of the stairs here is a CR, but it's not completed yet. Sink on the other side. And you got a window you can look out into the garage. And then we come into the garage. He said this can hold 6 cars. Just pan around here. You see that the hole there? That's going to be a steel cage over that for drainage. Hey, what's happening? You can see the electrical systems here. I don't know what this room is, but it's kind of dark. Sorry, there's no lights. I'm just going to go back here and take a quick look. Okay, it's a pretty good sized room. Must be for storage for tools and things for the car and stuff. Wash stuff and things like that. And then you have access over here to go around the house. See the stairs that are going up? But I'll come over here first and show you driver's room, another driver's room. Then we have this driver's CR, not done yet. But since they're working on the corner and the pipes and stuff over there, we'll go up the stairs to the dirty kitchen. And I'll show you the outside. If I can get out there. I don't know if I can get out there. But there's not much to see anyways on the side. As far as you got construction things in the middle, I'll just poke my head out here and show you. See, there's the stairs that goes down to the back part and just cuts to the garage. And then you can come out this way for stairs down into this other upper garage. See the owner, he's parked right here. So we come around the side of, I'll do a side perimeter to the back garage to show you the corner property. Let me back out some. So you can see the front of the house, the big windows. The wall's still under construction, but you can see this monster goes all the way around. You can see there's a big giant house being built down at the end of the street. I think that's a mayor's house or something, a congressman or something. But just to show you the garage from the street side. See, so this thing is going to be huge. And actually you're in the towards the end of the village. So what's the beauty of it is you get all this wide space in front of your house. See that? The clubhouse is just down here a little bit where the pool and everything is. Then look how wide the streets are in front of your house. So if you had a party, lots of places to park. So I hope you enjoyed this film by philhome.com. Read this description below and you can find out the details about this house. You can contact us at philhome.com if you'd like to see it, or you can go to Philhome Facebook page and contact us there with your personal Facebook page. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching with philhome.com.